Hi guys! Today we fix Roblox not launching issue. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Before doing anything, make sure your device is working normally. Sometimes, simple glitches stop apps from opening properly. Now check your internet connection first. Turn Wi-Fi on or switch to mobile data if needed, because Roblox needs a stable connection to launch properly. If internet is weak, the app may not open at all. Now open your App Store or Play Store. Search for Roblox in the search bar. Check if there is an update available. Outdated apps often cause launching issues. If you see an update option, tap it immediately. Wait for the update to finish completely. This helps fix bugs and improves app performance, so always keep Roblox updated. Now close Roblox completely from background apps, then open it again fresh. Sometimes apps just need a restart to work properly. This simple step can solve many issues. Now restart your phone once. Hold the power button and tap Restart. This clears temporary bugs and refreshes the system. Honestly, this step fixes most app problems. If Roblox still doesn't open, uninstall and reinstall it, this gives you a fresh, new version of the app. It removes any corrupted files causing issues. So reinstalling is a strong fix. Now open Roblox again after all steps. It should launch properly without any errors. If everything is done correctly, the issue will be gone. Now you can enjoy playing smoothly. That's how you can fix Roblox not launching issue easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tech fixes. Also, comment below what tutorial you want next.